The United States is a vast country with a diverse range of natural beauty, and selecting just 5 areas out of so many incredible locations is a challenge. However, these 5 regions stand out for their breathtaking landscapes, unique features, and the awe they inspire in visitors from around the world. One such area is the Grand Canyon in Arizona. Known for its immense size and striking layers of red rock, the Grand Canyon is a geological marvel that captivates millions of visitors every year. Its vastness, depth, and the Colorado River winding its way through the canyon offer a surreal and humbling experience. Next is Yellowstone National Park, which spans across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. As America's first national park, Yellowstone is home to iconic geysers like Old Faithful, vibrant hot springs, thundering waterfalls, and an array of wildlife including bison, elk, and grizzly bears. The park's geothermal features are some of the most extraordinary in the world. Moving to California, Yosemite National Park is renowned for its towering granite cliffs, ancient giant sequoias, and cascading waterfalls. The majesty of El Capitan and Half Dome, combined with the serene beauty of the Yosemite Valley, make it a paradise for hikers, climbers, and nature lovers. Alaska's Denali National Park and Preserve offers an untamed wilderness experience centered around North America's highest peak, Denali. The park's stunning landscape of towering mountains, expansive tundra, and diverse wildlife, from moose to Dall sheep, create a truly majestic and rugged environment. Finally, the island chain of Hawaii offers some of the most diverse and beautiful landscapes in the U.S. The islands boast lush rainforests, volcanic craters, pristine beaches, and vibrant coral reefs. Locations such as Kauai's Na Pali Coast and the Big Island's Hawaii Volcanoes National Park showcase the raw beauty and geological activity that make Hawaii unique. Each of these areas not only showcases the natural beauty of America, but also offers unique and memorable experiences that leave lasting impressions on those fortunate enough to visit.